Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm in sunny Florida, ready to dive into the vibrant Jamaican culture. I've heard about this incredible band, Trinity 7, playing live from a boat at the Salt Shack. I know it's going to be an unforgettable experience, guys, and I'm so happy to be taking you along for the ride. This appealing beach bar is nothing short of a tropical paradise nestled among these swaying coconut trees on the pristine shores of Florida. Guys, with this idyllic beachfront location, you can see the bar offers an enchanting ambience that perfectly complements the beautiful sunny day. Let's head over to the bar and have a word with the bartender. Well, you've been here a long while.
Yeah, a year and a half.
Yeah. How do you like working here?
I love it.
Good.
Look at this. This is my office.
Yes. There you go. And I see you have some fun here every Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
1 to 5.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay, awesome. I'm looking forward to enjoying the band this afternoon.
They're awesome.
Check it out, guys. Trinity 7 is getting ready to take the stage. I can already feel the rhythm in the air.
Government yard and
Guys, I'm sure you will agree with me when I say that that was an amazing performance by Trinity 7. And they really rocked the boat. Let's go over and have a word with them. But guys, I won't be talking to you again before the end of this video. So let me take this opportunity to remind you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more exciting cultural exploration. So, hi, how are you?
Yeah, we're doing good.
Good. How long have you been operating as a band?
Yeah, since 2005.
Oh my goodness, that's a long time.
Yeah, but then it's like we changes, you know. We change around, and then finally 2013 we come together as a family group, you know.
Very good.
It's all the family.
Yes.
Yes.
Me, my husband, my kids,
Oh,
my
oh.
nieces, and their uncle.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's interesting.
So I guess we always work together, but we just weren't always doing, you know.
Yes. So do you have a location that you're based?
Huh?
Are you based from a specific location?
We're in Tampa right now.
Tampa, okay. So you go to different locations and
Yeah, you
perform.
know, sometime we may be at the Hard Rock or wherever it takes us.
yes.
You know?
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
And so where do you see yourself going in the future in terms of the band? Do you have any long-term plans for the group?
We're going as far as it takes us.
Wherever it takes us.
The sky's the limit,
Yeah,
right?
you know?
Right. Thank you, sir. Is there anything you want to share with the viewers?
Yeah, we just want our name out there, you know, Trinity 7, the Root Sigla. Just trying to get our name out there and more awareness.
Yes.
That we are around. Some people said like roots reggae music died. But I can tell you they're lying, it's because they never see us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Trinity 7, guys.
Yeah,
Yes.
the Root Sigla, you know. We
Yes.
are the Root Sigla,
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Thank
we're
you
bringing
so
the Jamaican culture and vibe, you know. You don't hear about the Igla that much, so that's why we combine it as Trinity
Right.
7, the Root Sigla.
Right. Thank you so very much. Thank you. And I wish you all the best and all the success there is in your endeavors.
Appreciate that, you know.
Thank you.